The global refined tin market has entered a severe structural deficit, projected to reach 24.5 kilotons in 2024. This supply gap represents a 155% expansion compared to the previous year. The imbalance is driven by contracting global production, which fell 3.3% to 358.0 kilotons. Meanwhile, inelastic demand from the electronics sector pushed global consumption up to 382.5 kilotons. This physical mismatch has forced London Metal Exchange cash prices to rebound to an average of $32,100 per metric ton. The price escalation reflects a market stripped of its operational buffers. Exchange inventories have depleted to critical operational thresholds. London Metal Exchange warehouse stocks fell 62.3% from their January peak to just 2,900 metric tons by October. This volume represents less than 3 days of global consumption, leaving the supply chain highly exposed to disruptions. The primary catalyst for this drawdown was an administrative bottleneck in Indonesia, the world's largest exporter of refined tin. Regulatory restructuring and licensing delays caused Indonesian exports to collapse by 80% in the first quarter of 2024. Consequently, spot prices surged 29.6% in a 90-day window. Advanced computing and automotive electrification are compounding this structural deficit. Tin solder demand within artificial intelligence and high-performance computing is growing at a compound annual rate of 27.4%. This growth is driven by high-density packaging and complex multi-chip module architectures. Simultaneously, the proliferation of electronic control units in electric vehicles will push automotive tin consumption to 39.5 kilotons by 2025. Because standard lead-free solder has no viable chemical substitutes, these sectors are highly price inelastic. A 30% increase in raw tin prices inflates the total bill of materials cost for advanced circuit board assembly by up to 15%.